Hey, yeah, you. Did you know that all of the electronics in your home emit radiation? Yeah, like that one. And that one over there. Ooh, that one too. That's a nasty one. And even the one in your hand. Okay, that was just a smidge dramatic. But what if I told you that your electronics are affecting your overall health because they emit something called electromagnetic fields, or EMFs. EMFs are an external stressor that can cause oxidative stress, fatigue, sleep loss, effects on the brain, nervous, and immune system. And as we're constantly bringing new devices into our homes, EMF exposure is a problem that just keeps getting worse. So, let's meet Kyle, Eric, and Linda. They're just finding out about EMFs too.
Did you say sleep loss? My husband is always waking me up with his tossing and turning.
It's true. I've had trouble sleeping ever since I started working from home. I've tried it all, the vitamins, the pills, the sounds of a tropical rainforest.
I've heard about EMFs, something about radiation coming from our devices. Now, I take my health seriously and take the necessary steps to stay fit. Are EMFs really that big of a deal?
Yes, such a big deal that the World Health Organization has categorized electromagnetic fields as a class 2B carcinogen, just like asbestos and cigarettes once were.
Excuse me, carcinogen? That doesn't sound good.
It's not. You see, EMFs are emitted from all of our devices. Your cell phone in your pocket or up against your head, your computer, your iPad, monitors, TV, even your Wi-Fi router is constantly sending out waves that can be harmful.
So I'm just supposed to get rid of all my technology?
Yes. No, not at all. Look, luckily there's a convenient solution that can eliminate your risk to your health without sacrificing your electronics. Introducing the Aries Lifetune. Aries Lifetune interacts with surrounding EMFs, pulling them in and converting the chaotic EMFs to be compatible with your body. This eliminates the stress to your body and regulates your physiological responses. So you'll feel less brain fog, more energetic, more focused, and yes, you will sleep better.
Okay, this all sounds too good to be true. How do we know it works?
Well, Aries has been verified by 22 clinical and scientific trials and 8 peer-reviewed studies to prove that it works. They even conducted a live demonstration with a neuroscientist, showing that Aries device can normalize brain function. You can even check it out at their website, ariestech.com.
Is this like those cheap stickers and clothing I've seen online?
Nope. Aries Lifetune isn't just a blocking sticker or fabric. Unlike our competitors, it's an award-winning, patent-approved, state-of-the-art piece of nanotechnology that works with your devices to modulate EMFs, and its effectiveness is proven to create a safer environment around you.
Is this something our kids can use?
Yeah, Aries Lifetune comes in 4 different sizes, right here. And even better, you can just place it, wear it, or bring it with you. It even goes to work. And the Lifetune Go would be perfect for the kids. And with the Zone and the Max and the Lifetune One, you can protect your entire home and be covered on the go.
Well, this feels like a no-brainer. I mean, why wouldn't we try it and get some peace of mind?
I'll give it a shot. Anything to optimize my body's performance.
In a world that revolves around technology and EMFs that cause you harm, why wouldn't you want to protect and give yourself the best future for your mind and body? Aries Lifetune is a scientifically proven piece of tech that will keep you healthier and happier. So, what are you waiting for? Get your Aries today and match your body's frequency.